The bear is the owner of the forest, everyone knows that. But not everyone knows that these creatures live not only in the north, they are also found in the southern hemisphere of our planet. However, there are other species. There are now 8 species of bears in total, and they are all amazing, truly amazing. Smart, strong, cunning and incredibly hardy, these animals are really beautiful. Contrary to popular belief, not all bears hibernate for the winter. Polar bears, for example, are not susceptible to this phenomenon. Only pregnant bears go into hibernation. Bears are a fairly young species of living creatures. Well, relatively young, they are about 5 million years old, give or take. For comparison, you can see how old one of the most ancient creatures, crocodiles. Bears are able to neutralize hunting traps by throwing sticks and stones at them, so that they work idly. The closest relatives of bears from a biological point of view are dogs, wolves and, oddly enough, foxes. Bears really like to ruin beehives to feast on honey. The largest of the bears are polar, their weight can reach half a ton. However, the short-billed bear, which became extinct about 30,000 years ago, was almost twice as large. All bears have 2 layers of wool. One protects from water, the other helps to keep warm. The longest claws can boast of the Malay bear, their length reaches 10 centimeters. Polar bears are able to swim tirelessly a distance of several tens of kilometers. Pandas, which also belong to these animals, do not have 5 fingers on their front paws, but 6. Most forest bears are good at climbing trees. However, old and heavy animals usually do not do this, except as a last resort. Not every branch can withstand them, and they know it perfectly well. Bears only seem clumsy. At short distances, they are able to reach speeds of up to 55 km/h, which will not allow even a professional athlete runner to escape from them. Polar bears are able to eat an amount of meat exceeding 10% of their body weight in an hour. During hibernation, which can last up to 6 months, the bear loses up to half of its body weight. Polar bears have black skin. During hunting, polar bears cover their noses with their paws, as this is the only black dot on their body visible to the eye, and it can give them away against a background of white snow. All types of bears, except polar bears, are omnivorous. Polar bears eat exclusively meat. An adult panda can eat up to 20 kilograms of bamboo in one sitting. Polar bears are able to jump out of the water several meters high, just like penguins.